Where the whole state is engulfed in sufferings due to COVID-19 pandemic, their TPCC acting president Piyush Kanti Biswas launched party website, dissolving the task force which was working hard for the people, creating and dissolving committees according to own wish, and now launching party website on his own. People along with own party workers and members are confused what Congress acting president Piyush Kanti Biswas actually wants to prove. These actions had led to raise several questions among common men. Answer to these questions solely lies within the acting Congress president itself. According to information, presently there is no existing full-fledged committee of Pradesh Congress, though there are one or two group committees, but there resides conflicting views, cognitive dissonance and strife. Therefore, several questions arises on the existence of such groups. Members and workers of the party raised questions on the need, importance or success of the website without forming any full-fledged committee firstly. Not only this, the website inauguration should include important party informations and full-fledged committee according to rules. Therefore, the question arises whether such a website will be able to attain any success that has been formed in such a hurry. The sole decision-taking nature of acting Congress President Piyush Kanti Biswas has been stated intolerable by a major section of the party. The realistic and reliable Congress members still have a firm belief that the party will turn back some or the other day, and whatever might be the situation, they will always remain faithful to the party. This is the only reason why such behavior and own decision-making nature of acting Congress President is intolerable to them. In this situation, the task force led by senior Congress leader Shubal Bhumik worked effortlessly for the people, where the party gained appreciation from all over. Therefore, a major section of the people believe that it was not at all justified to dissolve the task force. Majority of party workers and members claim that the Congress wants to play the role of prime opposition. But if acting president Piyush Kanti Biswas continues such actions, the name of Congress will just remain in the signboard itself. After taking over charge as an acting president of Tripura Pradesh Congress, Piyush Biswas did not shape up any movement against ruling BJP government in the state. Neither did he speak up or condemned on the corruption issues by the government. His sugar-coated nature for the ruling BJP government has raised severe resentment and angst amongst party supporters, workers, leaders and members. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.